It's a pre-rain game. I know that it's time for a good change. I never been romantic, and sometimes I don't care. I know it may sound selfish, but let me breathe the air. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Let me breathe the air. Daddy B. Okay. There's one thing in my life that's missing. It's the time that I spend alone, turning on the cool and bright clear water. Kind of a special feeling out on the sea alone, staring at the full moon like a lover. Time for a good day. I know that it's time for a cool change. Now that my life is a free range, boy, I know that it's time for a cool change. It's time for a cool change. Well, I know it's time for a cool change. So rearrange. Ayan, back to you host. Thank you so much. Kuya Ram, thank you. Sir Boy Madalakbay. And sa mga nakabid dyan, thank you so much. Beautiful song, Alicia. Thank you.
Yes.
O, diba?
Shout out to you and Daddy B. Hello, good morning po. Good morning po sa inyo, Daddy B. And of course, Andini Gymnastics. Is this your main channel, Andini? You have only how many saging? Banana. Andini Gymnastics. Thank you so much, Andini. And of course, sa mga nakabidyo sa ating Kuya Rom, Beautiful Soul, Mali Shali, Uhaw, sa iyo ko nandiyan pa. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, of course, to Shikel. Thank you so much, Shikel. Love, Shikel, ha. Maraming salamat, Sir Mike. Maraming salamat, Sir Mike, ha. Thank you so much po. And of course, to Sir Oscar. Maraming salamat, Sir Oscar. Nakabidyo sa atin, Sir Oscar. Ano po?
Idol, Nailog, shout out!
Nakabidyo po siya. Ayan.
Kumusta ka
Big day.
dyan? Kumusta yung
Agad
gulong
eh.
natin dyan?
Nakabidyo lang po siya.
Tikoy,
Nag-video
shout
lang.
out, Tikoy. Mm.
Okay. Kuya Ro, maraming
Sige.
salamat. Andini, where's your main channel, Andini? Okay, thank you so much, Andini channel. Andini Gymnastics. Thank you so much. Okay, and first to
Andini.
ito.
Oh,
Eh,
yeah.
ganun pa rin to. Kahit puntahan natin to sa youth, ganun pa rin ang mangyayari nito. Doon pa rin pupunta sa 27 subscribers. Ganun pa rin.
Oh, yeah. For you, beautiful soul, and sunshine.
Okay. Ayan.
Kuya Ron, your boy, Matet, Ismina, Chicken. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care anyone but you. I swear, I've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I'd stay right here with you.